Hello everyone in the EDAP 690 Multimedia Authoring class. Um, we are preparing for Module 3. This module will be covered in two class meetings, uh, Wednesday nights and of course the following Wednesday. We are going to start taking apart Mayor. We're going to participate in a book study. We're going to use a tool called VoiceThread to help us understand how Mayer's principles work. And as you can see, our voice thread will be divided into 5 sections. You must use your own words. You must paraphrase. You may not lift directly. You must describe the case for the principle. You must explain the research behind the existence of the principle. In other words, how does it stand up? You may cite the research from the book. You're going to create a word cloud to identify the major concept of your principles. This isn't hard. If you've never done a voice thread before, there's a little bit of a learning curve, but not much. What will be different is not only are we going to place the voice thread that you create in your wiki on your page that you will have created, we're also asking you to put the voice thread that you have created in a discussion forum here inside Module 3. Discussion forum is very easy to use. I'll walk you through the steps several times. It's basically you're going to create a thread, and within this thread you will identify your principle and your name, and you will use the HTML link here to then embed the embeddable code from your voice thread. I would like for you to please take a look at that section in the Mayer book that has to do with his principles. You will find that his is a very, it's not an easy read, and that's why we're going to break them up. I will do a presentation on what multimedia means from the 50,000 foot view. And at the end of that presentation, the expectation is that you will be ready to pick one of the principles that you want to be responsible for explaining to the rest of the class. Now, I have included in here a link that will do Mayer's multimedia principles. I call it the Cliff Notes version, and very simple text if you want to use that. But you will need your book to be able to do the entire assignment. The other thing that we will do Wednesday night is we will take our TPEC quiz together in class so that we can review the ideas behind TPEC as we move forward. TPEC and one of the multimedia creations that you will make, there are several in this course, will become the way that you will do your final. You will view the creation through the TPAC framework as to its content, its pedagogy, and of course the technology that you use. Alrighty, I will see you Wednesday night, and as always, first of all, let me apologize to those of you who are visiting from the Great Beyond last week. In case we didn't explain it to you well that night, we were kicked out of our normal class space, and I was doing nothing but playing catch-up the entire night. The lab that we were moved into wasn't really prepared for us to be in there, especially for using Collaborate. We have been reassigned into a lab that I have gone in today and checked, double-checked, and triple-checked to make sure everything is okay. I've already had to put in a couple of K-Box tickets to get things fixed in there. So by Wednesday, we should be back in regular form, able to do what we know we can do. So I will see you Wednesday night.